What's up, guys? I wanted to do a quick little video of this pepper plant that I have growing here in water. This is a plant that was almost dying outside because it had really bad powdery mildew under the leaves. So basically I just clipped everything off, and it was left with just a stump, and it's in water. I want to show you guys. I brought it in the house, and look at the roots. It's doing really good. I have some nutrients in that water. It's a 5-gallon Lowe's bucket, and look at the size of the peppers on this, and they're just babies. These are sweet Cubanelle peppers, and we've grown them before. They're super delicious. It's got a bunch of little ones coming in, flowers. So yeah, I just wanted to show you a quick update of this.